Hello and welcome to Calender. In this video, I will show you how you can use various templates which are available in Google Sheets and how also you can search on the internet and find different templates. Okay, so let's start with the templates that are already available in Google Sheets. So I've opened a new Google Sheet, and here the first step is you can go to the file menu, go to new, and then you can choose this option which says from template gallery. So once you click it, you will see a complete list of templates that are available. Okay, so they are divided into different categories. For example, we have some things in personal, we have a to-do list, a budget, right? We have a finance and investment tracker, we have a calendar. Okay, so let's start with one. So if you want to use some of them, for example, I want to use the to-do list. I have to simply click on this one, and then you see this to-do list appears here. Now they are very easy to use. You can see it that here we have a check mark, so you can put a check mark here. Here we have a date, so when you put a check mark, this is crossed. Here we have a date, so you can double click here and select the date from the calendar. It appears here. You can edit the text here, right? You can add more things here. For example, clean the house or something like that. That's a to-do list for you. You can specify a date, you can specify whether you have done it or not done it, and it also shows on the top 2 out of 4 which are completed at the moment. Okay, also this list comes with filters, so you can sort by with A to Z, Z to A. You can sort by color, then you can select whether you should go with if the condition is satisfied or not satisfied. Similarly, we also have filters for dates. So for example, you have more tasks on one day, you can filter them, right? So this is a typical example of a to-do list. Okay, so let's go back and look at some more templates here. Now for example, let's say we see the monthly budget. Okay, so we click on this, let it open, and here we see that it gives us these instructions. Also it says only edit the highlighted cells. So if we go down below, we see that we have certain cells. We can punch in some values here, and you can get what do you plan, and then when you see in the actual, it already has some formulas. It will calculate the difference, right? If you let's say go to the transactions tab, you can also punch in the transactions for each date, right? So the entire summary will be calculated based on what values you fill in. Let's go back and see some more examples. Okay, now we can also go, for example, to the calendar. So when I open the calendar, it will show me. So this is a 2021 calendar. You can view for different years. Now for example, you want to, let's say, highlight these cells. You can change the formatting here. You can do a different color, so that you can mark that what all you need to remember what dates. And then you see there is also a calendar for each month here in the bottom, you can see. And on each month you can with the date also specify you want to do an activity or remember something, you can put it here. So this is how the calendar works. Now again, let's see some more templates. For example, now there's a travel planner, there's a wedding planner, there's also a team roster, right? All the templates are very easy to use. It's just that you should know that these exist here, and you do not run after creating them or standardizing them, right? There's a lot of things which is available. You can just edit them, you can get a very good result. Okay, so you see, even for education, you have an assignment tracker, grade book, attendance, and all. Okay, so this was about the templates that are already available with Google Sheets. Now let's talk about certain templates which more you can additionally get from the net. For example, you need a template for a budget tracker, right? So we can write Google Sheet template for budget, for example. Okay, So now you see that there are various templates which are coming. So you can choose, for example, this one, pre-created templates in Google Docs, Google Sheets, and we might find some templates here. Okay, so now you see that they have certain templates. Now, for example, you want to choose let's say the green money budget. Okay, so you open this. Okay, you click on this, then you see that this is the kind of template which is existing. And if you now want to okay, so this is the template. And now if we click on edit template, okay, open, please select size, we select the US letter. Take some time. And now you see that we come with an option. It says copy document. Okay, so would you like to make a copy of the monthly budget template? We say yes, make a copy. And now you see that this copy of the money budget template is appearing. Okay, so it's just loading and it's here now. So this is what I can use. This is now my file, and I can save it and edit it as per my requirement. So you can also search on the internet for many ready-made templates which are customized for your use, and then you can use them easily. So this is all. So this is all for today. In this video, we'll learn some more things about Google Sheets in the next videos. Thank you very much.